Hi guys and welcome back to the Ice Road Sneakers YouTube channel. It's your Sandy, also known as skg.jpeg. And first of all, I have to apologise that I'm filming like this, but I've lost the light in my flat because I don't know what happened with London, but the sunset. I received a very special pair in the post today and I have to show you guys because it is an exclusive. The pair's dropping tomorrow. It is the Patta and Nike Air Max 1 in white and pure platinum, and I'm so excited to get into it. So without further ado, let's do that. So first things first, as always, if you're a regular on this channel, we love a good box. So this one, it says each one teach one at the top. And then inside we have the lovely paper. The paper's sick, like this. I want to frame it. Now let's jump inside. So this is the pair. As you can see, they are stunning. If you were anticipating this pair once you saw the early pictures, you are not going to be disappointed. So this is what it looks like in hand, up close and personal. You have the mini swoosh, silver detailing. It's very much pure platinum, like the name of this colorway. It's just really fitting. And the pair did actually come with spare laces in cream. Probably will do a lace swap at some point. Yeah, for me this pair is just, it's perfect, but let's see it on. I actually went true to size on these and they are absolutely one of the most comfortable pair of Air Max ones that I've ever had. They fit a little bit different to the other kind of waves that release, just in the sense that they're a lot more comfortable. I have no idea why. I feel like it's the material that they've used. So guys, there you have it. That was my review of the Nike Patta Air Max 1 in white and pure platinum, releasing tomorrow, Friday the 26th of August. I'm so grateful to the person that sent me this pair. Very grateful to Patta for even releasing the pair. I think it's phenomenal. The story behind it is incredible. For those that don't know, Edson, co-founder of Patta, lost his son last year and he commemorated him with a special pair. It was a white platinum Nike Air Max 1 before he decided to release it to the public. It was a custom just to commemorate Roman, his son, and I do hope that everybody that gets this pair and everybody that wears this pair and everybody that wants this pair knows the meaning behind it, because it's a really important meaning. It's very honourable that Edson allowed us all in the sneaker community to kind of have a little piece of remembering Roman, something that's so personal to him. I do think it is very disappointing the way that he was badgered and hounded once he was spotted wearing this pair at the white and black release in December of 2021. I think that we need to remember that sometimes we don't need every pair, not every pair is for us, as much as we are sneaker enthusiasts, sneakerheads, and we love to have all different types of pairs, all different colorways, all different stories. Some stories aren't for us, some stories don't need to be shared. That's just my personal input, but as I said, it's very honourable that Edson allowed this pair to come into production, and I'm so thankful to own it. And yeah, I love it. I really can't rant and rave about it anymore. I just think it's perfect. It's so much nicer in hand. Like, I had high expectations, and the fact that we've received a pair after so long that actually goes above and beyond what we anticipated, it means a lot. And the whole story and campaigns behind the whole wave releases, like meshing sneaker heads and storytelling, it's been amazing. And also the charity contributions and everything else that they've done in order to support the community, the current community, the current generation, and the up and coming one. So yes, that was, sorry, I have a lot to say about this, I'm very passionate about it. But that was all. I'm very sorry about the lighting in this video. It's very late. And I don't quite have a ring light yet because, well, I didn't think I was a YouTuber, but I might start vlogging because this isn't too bad. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Take care and be sure to try and get this pair tomorrow. It's amazing. Thank you. Bye guys.